Hello and welcome to all. Today we will talk about a great opportunity which is from Salesforce. So watch the full video to know everything in detail. Also subscribe our channel so you can get job updates like this quickly. Now let's move forward. This opportunity is from Salesforce. It is for students who are currently pursuing their degree. So the title for this internship is Summer 2027 Intern Software Engineer. The job locations are Bangalore and Hyderabad, and it is office based internship. This is the job ID. Please try to get referral before you apply. This increases your chances of getting hired. Also note that please apply before April 29, 2026. Now let's move forward. This is about the job. This is about Salesforce. This is more about the job. This will be your responsibilities. Now let's move to the main thing, which is eligibility criteria. So the main criteria is enrolled in sophomore year or higher at a college, university, or any year at a graduate school, working towards a BE B.Tech in computer science, information technology, and circuit branch, graduating in 2028. So it is for students who are currently in their second year or higher at a college or university that are currently enrolled in BE or B.Tech degree in the following disciplines. So this was about the main eligibility criteria for this internship. Now let's talk about required skill set. So academic or professional internship, that means your previous internships that you have done. Ability to quickly learn new technologies. Strong analytical and problem solving skills. This means your DSS skills. Ability to thrive in a fast paced environment. Be a self starter and possess strong sense of self motivation. Excellent in effectively communicating technical challenges and proposing solutions. Skilled in navigating through ambiguous or undefined problems, coupled with the ability to think abstractly. So, this was about the basic skills. Now, let's move to desired skills. So, you should have experience with programming languages such as Java, C++, or Python. This is a must for all the jobs. Knowledge of web development technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue.js is a plus. This is the additional one. If you know this, this is well and good. It will increase your chances of getting hired. Coursework in SQL and relational database concepts. So you should know SQL and relational database concepts. You should know only theory. That is what mentioned here. You should be strong in computer science fundamentals, including object oriented design, data structures, algorithm development, problem solving, and complexity analysis. So, you should have strong fundamentals of computer science. This was about the skills. This is about future force. You can read this. I will provide you the link in description for this hiring. This is more about the job. You can read this all. Okay, so this was about the job. Please apply for this job posting fast as it is expiring soon. Thank you.